Okay, everyone, thanks for joining in on tonight's breaks. It's the 11-12 Panini Titanium. The last team that ended tonight was the Winnipeg Jets. October 1st at 9:29. Box number on this one is 1811-30240. And the time, Tuesday, October 1st at 10:17. Big to the break. Same stuff on for tomorrow night. 1811-30240. I just want to add to you guys just one quick thing. I've been telling everybody to register on my website. It is tapecards.com. At the start of September, I put down that I was going to draw for the box of Prime on September 30th. Now, I didn't draw for the box of Prime just because it's I'm not set up for live yet. I really thought when I put the break on there, or when I posted it, that I'd give away the box of Prime at the end of the month. I thought for sure within a month I would have had everything resolved. But it's I had that many computer problems in the last month. It's unbelievable. But anyway, I'm figuring this time next week I have a new computer on the way to me that supposedly can do everything it needs to do, and I'm going to do the draw then. I'm going to update on the website the date of the draw, and because I made everybody wait, I said it, what I'll do is I'll throw in, I guess, a second place prize, you'll call it, and it'll be $50 towards some breaks or something, break credits. So I don't even want to put down the date for next week because I'm not sure what day my computer's coming in, and it'll probably take me a day or so to get it set up. But yeah, it'll be good to go by next week anyway. So. Leave the thick text for last. Start off. Dates. Hat tricks for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Ryan Johansson, Dorsett, and Brassard. It's numbered. Focus. 199 out of 199. Last one. Redemption. Let's see if anybody in the titanium. I haven't anyway. Game Worn Gear autographs. Jeff Delorier's. Edmonton. I'm thinking. I'll have to check to make sure. Card number 97. And we have Game Worn Gear, Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan, Phoenix. So there is the same stock on for tomorrow night, but the next 2 nights I'm not sure. I guess I'm sure I would be in stock when I do some single boxes of, or I don't know. Wait and see, I guess. Game Worn Gear Prime, 2-color, Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. 28/50. Nice one there, Montreal. And Titanium Reserve Auto, the Dallas Stars, Marty Turco. Number and the decode. There we have it, guys. Thanks again to everybody tuning in, and yeah, I know same stuff's on for tomorrow, and then Thursday I don't know what'll be on yet. Do something. Anyway, have a great night, guys. Thanks again.